Haley here, coming at you post-live from Pennsylvania. So today we're gonna make a picture with nature. Here, let's take you along. Okay, after finally making it to Goodwill, which took forever because I turned in a Wendy's and I didn't think, oh, they're gonna have the same rule. Yeah, you can't turn left, so made a big old weird shape getting back to here, and you know what? It's basically like I pre-plotted. I've seen this. I know there's a couple canvases. Well, they might not be there now, but I'm gonna make it a quick dip, a grab and go. I'm taking you with. I'm grabbing that click, and you're not gonna see me pay because I'm gonna try and be polite and also confidential. So, let's go. Finally, part one. Oh, hey guys. Sorry. Oh, this thing is way bigger than I remember. There's gonna be a problem here in a second. I'll say that. Okay. Don't remember it being this big. Or this black. I honestly thought it was white with black detailing. But it looks like I'm gonna go for a black background. Much simpler. So now I have to return back to where that thrift was and go to the Walmart. And then I have to collect goodies. Woo! That is so big. I better collect a lot of goodies. I'll be back. Sadly enough to say, this is the fastest I've got anywhere, but I've arrived to Walmart, so I'm gonna see you guys inside because I'm not gonna do the whole walkie thing again. See ya there. Sorry. Oh no. Now to the paint, which I'm confused. I thought there was craft paint. I only found a section of house paint. Spray paint? I think you have to be 18. Let me go look. I've done myself a favor and looked it up. Spray paint dries the fastest. Oh, no roller. I gotta think. There she goes. Oh my god, I can't do that. Goodbye. Hello. Yo, I got goosebumps. I grabbed two. I'm still scared that I can't buy them, even though I'm 19. I think I need something to calm my nerves. I better go find it. I'll hit you back up, like, outside. Okay, we're right outside of Walmart. I got very anxious buying the spray paint. So then I got myself a cute pair of slippers and a little beef jerky, but my phone is like gonna die. So I grabbed a goodie jar that I just happened to have a million things in my car. And I think I'm gonna get outside and grab everything I can from this location that could help me with my picture, like real quick. Let's go. Oh. Okay. I'm at a cash hanging spot. So I'm at this point, my jar is pretty full. Of course I can fit more and eliminate as I have to, but at this point I think I'm gonna do pocket pickings. I see some pink petals, some fuzzy looking things. They have different colored mulch. So I'm gonna head out there quick. Okay, we're at the final location, exactly where we began. I'm gonna run around grabbing some stuff. You guys are just gonna stay here and spectate, unless I wander too far. Alright, I think the sun's telling us this is a wrap. I felt terrible taking any more than one sunflower leaf, but since we're exactly where we signed in, I guess I'm gonna sign off and say peace. I'll see you guys tomorrow because I gotta finish this. I figure everything else is gonna be in the yard and I can get it tomorrow when I'm out here spray painting the canvas. So, love y'all, bye. We're back. Day 2. Let's get her done. I didn't even change my work clothes because I know this might get messy. It might get messy. So I'm expecting the worst. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint this quick so it can start drying because I'm gonna change. I am dying. It's so hot. Welcome back. Ran into big problems real quick. I realized I forgot glue yesterday. So at this moment, I threaded a needle. So I'm gonna attempt to sew. The first thing that came to my head was I was thinking about glue. Headless chicken run around, glue, glue, glue. Nothing. I was like, I don't have time for this. And I was like, burn it. That ought to do it, right? I was like, wait a minute. Somehow sewing came to me. I'm not sure. So, we're going to go with it because I have I grabbed up a big leaf. I imagine I'm just going to make me because I'm not going to make like a nature-y picture with nature. It doesn't make sense. So, I picked up this leaf's beautiful. For my face, first of all, this is not stable, and I was very nervous for the fire because the drips are wet, so I don't doubt the rest is wet. Just now, to sew a canvas that's not stable, I'm going to stab myself. I'm going to break down. I got these, split them in half. This piece a little thicker. Good. I couldn't find anything curly, but this is like my texture if it was like straight, other than not dry. Not dry. Not this dry at all. The roots were not gonna be good. I figured I'd do some sort of like headband thing across. See if that works at all. That's something. That is something, I can tell you that much.
Okay. Why does it have to be a hard part of canvas? I don't understand canvas. I'm gonna look it up. Are there like soft spots, hard spots? Cause boy, oh my gosh, perfect idea. Make a hole. Stick it in! Oh my gosh, where's the other one? You're kind of flat. There you are. I ripped you off a little bit. Stay, gosh darn it! What do I have to do to get you to see that you have to stay? For you to pocket? I mean, I'll bring you closer. This has been 27 minutes. I wish I knew what time it was. I really wish I knew what time it was. I mean, I need a nose. And I need a mouth, more importantly. Where would I be without this mouth, ladies? Honestly, yes. I mean, what did I...
Oh no. She's smoking on some nature. I'm gonna say this is about it for Mrs. Nature face. I mean, it's lettuce face. It's not lettuce. It's not lettuce. This is what I got. This is us. I mean, I guess this is me. So, I mean, I'll see you soon. Sorry for not posting last week. I'm so sorry. But please, feel free to like, subscribe. I'm staying, okay? I'm staying. This is my place. So, see you soon.